Good morning, guys. I'm super excited about today because I'm getting ready for vacation. Oh my god, my voice sounds so funny. So I have my coffee in a solo cup because I've been like cleaning my house. I don't want to come back to a messy and dirty house, so I was up till super late last night. Yeah, today is the day before my vacation. It's 9:09 a.m. So let's backtrack. Why is it that I feel, and I know a lot of black women feel the same, that when I'm going on vacation I have to either wear braids or try to get a weave or something? Like, the struggle. So I've been wearing my wig, as many of you guys have seen, and I was trying to decide, should I wear my wig on vacation? I really don't want to have to deal with that. I don't want to have to deal with the wind blowing and my lace showing and all of that extraness, it getting warm and me having to re-glue anything. I don't want to do that. So late last night, and I mean late, like after cleaning my house, I decided I was gonna get braids.
I just came back from the bed and they told me, you still not that girl.
So I had to take out my Jim Jones braids, as my boyfriend calls it. To take that out, wash, deep condition, treat my hair, and it's a whole process to get my hair to a healthy point. Or I have a whole process with my hair before I put it in braids. So I'll show you guys. I washed it, blew it out, got it ready, and I haven't shown my hair on this channel in quite some time, but my hair has grown out a lot, and I think I might give it an extra blow because I don't want anybody raking through my hair and doing extraness when I get to the hair braiding salon. So yeah, I'm gonna blow it out some more because the ends are a little bit shrunken now. So yeah, my hair is just in a bun. My plan is, first, we've got to get our hair braided, and the hair salon that I go to is very popular, and there's like this makeshift list outside of the door before the shop opens. From like 7 a.m. people will sign off their names. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I've got a ABC, but I'm headed to my A in a while. They open at 10 a.m. Right now it's 9:12, so I gotta really rush with finishing this intro with you guys. So I'm gonna get my hair braided, I'm gonna get my nails done. I don't need to get a wax or anything like that because, as many of you know, or you should know from my last vlog, I do get laser on my legs, my bikini area, my armpits. So I'm all good on that. My brows look pretty good, but I might do a little touch up and get a sugar wax maybe all along my face so that we're fresh and glowing. And I just put on a little bit of concealer, like I didn't do my brows or anything. A little bit of concealer throughout my face so I don't look like dead, like under my eyes, and some mascara and some lip gloss. What did I use? I used my Marc Jacobs lip gloss. This is like super sheer and pretty, called Work It Enamored. It's cute. So yeah, I'm gonna pack a bag with some snacks. I had like waffles and coffee for breakfast so that it could keep me running for a couple of hours. And then when I come back home, everything is so last minute. When I come back home, I'm going to start packing. And the Virgo in me has me like prepping outfits just so that I have enough clothes, but I don't overpack too much because I'm just gonna carry a carry-on and probably my Longchamp bags. So yeah, come join me on this vlog. I don't like to talk too much in my vlogs, as you guys probably noticed, so I'll probably just let you guys watch. Pretty basic, getting my hair done, nails done, and then I'll probably talk you guys through my process as I'm packing a little bit later. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I didn't even tell you guys where I'm going. So I'm headed to Miami. This is a really chill vacation for me. I don't want to do anything crazy, but I also don't want to speak too soon. I like want to lounge by the pool, by the beach, relax. This is basically a treat to myself for all my hard work for the past year, and this is the first time I'm getting to take a vacation, so I want to go away on vacation. So right now it is currently 33 degrees and snowing in New York City. And Miami right now is 68 degrees, but the high is 79. Like, I need that. It's supposed to get to like 78 degrees at 2 a.m. I need that. I need to feel the sun on my skin. I need to like get my melanin levels back up there. Like, we look a little light bright. So yeah, I'm wasting a ton of time. Let's...
Twenty brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives and needed saving.
Hi guys, welcome back. So it's actually quite a few hours later. I got my braids done, as you can see. It's so pretty. It's a combination of 1B, I think 27 and 30, and they're basically, what is this, butt length, beyond butt length. So yeah, it's getting really late and I need to start packing because I need to be up by 7 in the morning. I already started prepping some outfits and I have some things laid out. I packed up all my skincare and my makeup and some shoes and pulled them out. I started charging my laptop because I'm gonna do some editing, but let me show you guys the outfits that I already started prepping. And so here are some of my ideas. I have some cover-ups set up, a ton of tops, some nighttime outfits, and it's supposed to be kind of chilly. So I have a denim jacket. I think I'm gonna bring my little Dionysus bag, as well as this little phone holder. I have a couple of shoes. I have some shorts and some bathing suits. Let me go ahead and set you guys up. That's a little bit better. So I just have my little blue Samsonite camera on, and don't mind my lighting legs on the side. But I have this Zara little pouch. I think it was for shoes that I purchased that I ended up returning, but I kept the pouch. I'm going to put my shoes that I've worn previously into this pouch so they don't mess up anything else. I have 3 pairs of sandals, tan, brown, and black. The black ones are dusty, but still cute. They do the job. Decent fit. Now I'm gonna put it in this little wrapped up pouch area. Also have some fuzzy slippers and some Old Navy flip-flops. I might wear these at the beach or in like the shower. I'm a little grossed out by hotel room showers, so need that. Last pair of shoes, these, but I'm gonna wear them. They're kind of bulky and they take up a lot of space, so I think I'm gonna wear them to the airport. So I have all my toiletries in this little handle pouch. I think I purchased it from a drugstore, but if I find something similar, I'll link it. I've been looking for something like this on Amazon, and I just so happened to find it in a drugstore, but it has everything in here. It's two-sided. It also has this thinner pouch in the center, and it basically fits all my bath items, shaving items, makeup wipes, deodorant, all goes in here. Little bulky, but it's pretty secure. And that's what we have on the zipped up side. So first, 2 pairs of shorts, black and a blue. Some sleeping items. I have this cute little set and some shorts to sleep in. Have a bralette with one of the shorts. I'm gonna pack my bathing suit, probably in this compact area. Ended up dumping everything I want to wear it. That's not to say it's gonna fit. So, pair of long jeans. The weather's supposed to fluctuate, so I just want to be prepared for anything. 2 cover-ups. This one's so cute from Pretty Little Thing, and I'm planning on wearing it with a white bathing suit and some blue shorts. White one also from Pretty Little Thing. This cute little asymmetric top from Mango. Another little one-shoulder top from Mango. Little basic tank. I have 2 dressy tops. One from Zara, brown, cute. I did a try on haul actually with this one. And the other very similar but not asymmetric, but it's from Shein. I also picked up this pretty brown skirt from Pretty Little Thing with a long slit in it. And I have this matching, or not matching, this cute little Zara top that I could wear with it. And 3 dresses. 1 is a bit casual and 2 dressy, just in case. I have 2 triangle bathing suits, but I think I'm gonna bring a 1 piece just in case I'm feeling a little bloated. Okay. So I packed up my makeup goodies in this Benefit little free bag that I got. Everything fits. I'm not bringing a crazy amount. Actually, this is a lot. So point is, everything fits. I'm going to have my makeup and my bags in my carry-on purse because I care about those items and I don't want them to get lost. I have a fear of my items getting lost. What else do I have left to pack? I'm bringing a pair of shades. Super cheap from Shein. What is this? It's cute. I'm going to bring my vlogging camera, this camera that I'm actually on right now, the tripod, as well as my laptop so that I can do some editing on the plane. And all of those are going to go into my Longchamp bag. I think that's all that I have left to pack. I'm currently charging some batteries, so I'm pretty much good to go. So I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Ooh, I forgot to show you guys my nails. I got this light pretty pink color, and I don't know if it's me, but unless I'm getting white, pink, or red, then I don't feel like my nails are cute. Is that just me? Here I'm all packed for the most part and ready for my flight in a few hours. I'll see you guys in the next one.